Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on Coinbase. First, you'll need to set up your account. Visit the Coinbase website or download their mobile app to begin the registration process. You'll be asked to provide some personal details and verify your identity, which is a standard security measure. This Know Your Customer process helps keep your account safe and compliant. Once verified, you're ready for the next step. Now that your account is set up, it's time to add some funds. Coinbase offers several ways to do this, including linking a bank account or using a debit card. Simply select your preferred method and follow the secure steps to connect it. Once linked, you can deposit funds directly into your Coinbase wallet. Remember to check for any minimum deposit requirements or transaction fees that might apply. With funds in your account, you're ready to make your first crypto purchase. Head over to the Buy/Sell section within the Coinbase platform. You'll see a wide selection of cryptocurrencies available. Choose the one you'd like to buy, then enter the amount in your local currency or the specific quantity of crypto. Always double-check your order details before confirming to ensure everything is correct. Congratulations, you've bought crypto. Your new digital assets will now appear in your Coinbase portfolio. For added security, you might explore options like the Coinbase Vault, which offers time-locked withdrawals. You can also easily sell your crypto back into fiat currency or convert it to other cryptocurrencies directly on the platform. Always stay updated on market movements and best security practices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.